Huh?
Huh? Oh! Ah! Oh my! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Quick, roll her onto her belly. How will this help? Even if she gets too big, we can at least still talk to her this way.
What's going on? Why am I inflating? I bet power air got trapped in your diaphragm.
We should probably stop this before it gets out of hand.
Yeah, but how? Usual hiccup cures?
Yes, and in this case, some unique ideas as well.
This is fun! Yeah!
Hey!
Yeah! Huh? Yes! Woo!
All right!
Hey, come on! Oh my! Huh? Oh! How about that paper bag?
If we had any, but I do have balloons. Of course you do.
Hey!
Whoops! Are you doing this on purpose? No, I swear. But even if we can't cure the hiccups soon, we should at least reduce the swelling. What do you mean? How?
Hi!
Wow!
Well, that's one way to do it. I got huge.
Okay, this gives me an idea. Let me see your balloons.
Oh, Daisy, how forward. But is this now really the time?
What? I mean, your actual balloons! The ones you brought! Well, Peach, your hiccups have just been so stubborn. I don't know if we can... So, were you startled? Didn't think so. Oh!
I've got it.
Help! Huh? Hey!
My hero.
Did we do it? Yep, all done.
So, now what?
Whoa!
Yeah, right.
It's no good. You just can't seem to squeeze the air out.
Oh. Hmm?